Reflex Platinum MasterCard Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? If you're looking for a credit card that promises flexibility and the ability to rebuild or improve your credit, the Reflex Platinum MasterCard often comes up in search results. But with so many options available in 2025, how do you know if this card is actually worth applying for? In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know: the fees, interest rates, rewards, pros, cons, and whether the Reflex Platinum MasterCard deserves your attention or is better left alone. Let's start by exploring what this card really is and why it exists. Step 1. What is the Reflex Platinum MasterCard? The Reflex Platinum MasterCard is a secured credit card meaning it requires a cash deposit as collateral. This deposit usually sets your credit limit and acts as a security for the card issuer. Secured cards like this are designed for individuals who are building or rebuilding their credit and may not qualify for traditional unsecured credit cards. Unlike premium travel or rewards cards, this card's primary focus is credit building and responsible credit usage. While it doesn't offer high-end travel perks or large rewards, it can be an essential tool for establishing a solid credit history. Step 2. Key features of the Reflex Platinum MasterCard. Here are the main features to consider. Secure deposit requirement: typically ranges from $200 to $500 depending on creditworthiness. This becomes your credit line. Credit reporting: reports to the three major credit bureaus Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, helping you build or rebuild credit over time. The annual percentage rate ranges from 23.9% to 27.9%, which is on the higher end, so paying balances in full is crucial. Fees: annual fee can range from $39 to $49. Monthly maintenance fees may also apply. No rewards program: unlike traditional credit cards, this card doesn't offer cashback or points. Eligibility: designed for consumers with poor, limited, or no credit history. Step 3. Application and approval process. Applying for the Reflex Platinum MasterCard is relatively straightforward. 1. Submit an application online or via mail. 2. Provide personal information, income details, and your initial security deposit. 3. Approval is generally easier compared to unsecured cards, but your deposit determines your credit line. Since this card is targeted toward individuals with low credit scores, approval rates are higher than for traditional credit cards. Step 4. How the card works. As a secured card, the way you use it is slightly different from a typical credit card. Your security deposit protects the lender if you fail to pay your balance. The deposit also typically sets your credit limit. For example, a $300 deposit usually means a $300 credit line. On-time payments are reported to credit bureaus, helping improve your credit score gradually. Think of this card as a stepping stone toward better credit rather than a rewards powerhouse. Step 5. Fees and interest rates. While secured cards help build credit, they often come with higher fees. Annual fee: $39, $49, depending on your application. Monthly maintenance fee: sometimes applied. Check your terms carefully. $, 23.9%, 27.9% variable APR, which is high. Avoid carrying balances. Foreign transaction fees: typically present, making this card less ideal for international use. Step 6. Credit building benefits. The Reflex Platinum MasterCard reports to all three major credit bureaus, which is the most important feature for someone looking to rebuild their credit. Here's how to maximize the benefits. 1. Use the card regularly: make small, manageable purchases each month. 2. Pay on time. Every time: late payments can harm your credit instead of helping it. 3. Keep balances low: try to maintain utilization under 30% of your credit limit. 4. Monitor your credit score: track progress monthly to see the positive impact over time. Step 7. Pros of the Reflex Platinum MasterCard ***. 1. Easier approval for poor credit : targeted toward individuals with low or no credit history. 2. Credit Bureau reporting : helps you build or repair credit if used responsibly. 3. Secured deposit : provides a clear structure and protects the lender, making approval more likely. 4. Simple application : online application is quick and straightforward. Step 8. Cons to consider : high interest rates : carrying a balance can quickly become expensive. Fees can add up: annual and possible monthly fees may reduce the overall value. No rewards or cash back: this card doesn't earn points like other cards. Limited credit line: dependent on your deposit, which may restrict spending. No premium perks: no travel insurance, airport lounge access, or cashback incentives. Step 9. Strategies for using the Reflex Platinum MasterCard effectively. To get the most from this card: 1. Use small, regular purchases: for example, pay for your monthly subscription or a small utility bill. 2. Pay in full: avoid interest by paying off the balance each month. 3. Increase your deposit over time: some cardholders increase their deposit as their credit improves to raise their credit limit. 4. Monitor your credit score: watch for improvements, and use the card as a stepping stone to an unsecured card. 5. Transition to a better card: once your credit improves, consider upgrading to a rewards or unsecured card for more perks. Step 10. Comparisons with other secured cards: let's compare Reflex Platinum MasterCard with some alternatives in 2025. Discover its secured: offers 2% cash back at restaurants, 1% everywhere else, and reports to all bureaus. No annual fee. Capital One secured MasterCard: minimum deposit can be $0, $200 depending on credit, reports to all bureaus. Potential credit line increase without new deposit. Reflex Platinum MasterCard: easier approval for poor credit, reports to all bureaus. Annual fee $39, $49. No rewards. If your goal is credit building above all else, Reflex can be a solid choice. If you want rewards while building credit, alternatives like Discover or Capital One may offer more value. Step 11. Real-life example: consider James, who has a credit score of 550 and is looking to rebuild his credit. He deposits $300 for the Reflex Platinum MasterCard, giving him a $300 credit line. He spends $100 per month on essentials and pays the balance in full. After 12 months of consistent payments, his on-time payments are reported to the credit bureaus. His credit score could increase by *50-100 points depending on other factors, making him eligible for better cards in the future. Step 12. Who should consider this card? The Reflex Platinum MasterCard is ideal for individuals with poor or no credit history, people seeking an easy-to-approve secured card, those committed to using credit responsibly and building a strong credit score. It may not be suitable for consumers looking for rewards or cashback, cardholders who carry a balance regularly, individuals